Hello everybody, I'm Taylor Scanlon, real estate agent with the Dan Plowman team. Today I want to show you this great new home we have for sale here in Bowmanville, 2747 Concession Road 6. You're minutes away from everything right here. This is a great ranch style bungalow. Before we head on inside though, I want to show you around the property a little bit. Follow me. All right, so now we're inside this great home here. So this is a full ranch style bungalow. Yes, it's a little bit dated, but with the right vision, this could be an amazing home. Like, just take a look at this view here. All right, so as we kind of walk a little bit further into this house, you'll really see all the entrances to the private backyard. There's 6 ways to get in and out of this house. Start coming a little bit further. We are in the kitchen area here. It's a big kitchen. We have another office space over here. Take a look around. I'm going to show you the bedrooms. All right, so as we get to this side of the house, we have 3 big bedrooms, a full washroom. Come on, take a look. All right, so now we're in this awesome backyard here. We have 10 huge acres here. We have trails that go all through the forest. We have 2 ponds. There's a big double car workshop. We have an art studio. You're gonna really wanna see this property because you are gonna fall in love just like I did. All right guys, I really hope you enjoyed the tour of this great home. If you want to come take a look at this house and take a walk around this property, make sure to call the number above. And if you want to be kept informed of all our other homes that we have coming up for sale, make sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, I'll see you in the next one.